This is inside the average Florida home's air ducts. Your AC is blowing this through every room right now. And here's the thing, most companies offering to clean them, not qualified to touch them. That $99 whole home special is designed to get inside your house, then scare you into paying thousands for fake mold. Less than 1% of air duct cleaners in the US hold NADCA certification, the only nationally recognized standard for this work. That means 99 out of 100 companies you could hire have no formal training, no oversight, and no accountability. NADCA certified cleaning isn't just sticking a vacuum down a vent. It's a full system process. Negative pressure vacuum, agitation tools, and cleaning every component. The coils, the blower, the drain pan, skip any of that, and the whole system recontaminates within days. Visible mold, pest intrusion, post-renovation dust, or you run the AC and the whole house smells like a gym locker. Any of those, you're past due. At Clean Air Pros, we're NADCA certified, A+B BB rated, and we document every job with before and after camera footage, so you see exactly what was in your system and exactly what we did about it. Don't wait. If you're in Tampa Bay, contact us and grab a free estimate.